recently in my clinic, I have a doctor who walked in with full of oral white patches on the lips and on the tongue and the side of the lips inside. After examination, they were looking more like precancerous lesions, white patches, full of burning sensation and difficulty in eating, difficulty in chewing, etc. etc. He was a doctor by profession. He did not have any bad habits like smoking, pan chewing, gutka, or any other bad habits he didn't have. But he was lean and he looked healthy, but he was not looking very strong. So I asked him his diet pattern and what are the food he takes and how he takes and everything. Then I came to know these white patches, which were very worrying for them, which looked like precancerous lesions. Sometimes we called it as OPMD, oral potential malignant disorders, like leukoplakia white patches or oral submucous fibrosis. So these are some of them we consider as precancerous lesions. So here this man does not have any symptoms of bad habits, but still he is having this same symptoms like precancerous lesions. So we put him under corticosteroids, we put him under multivitamins, and we put him on local analgesic gels and local analgesic tonics, which he has ingested, and within a span of 2 weeks the whole white patches have come down. You can see all the pictures here, before and after pictures, how he was before and how he was after. Within a span of 2 weeks the whole mucosa have come back to normal. He's able to eat peacefully spicy food without any burning sensation or pain in his lips or in his tongue and everything. So sometimes we might be thinking it's only you get precancerous lesions only because of bad habits. No, you do get precancerous lesions because of diet. So I do recommend everybody to have healthy and natural food and not processed food and unhealthy food, which might sometimes lead to precancerous lesions. Please take care of yourself.